Hello. In this video, we will learn about a great strategy with a win rate of 80-90%, which is proven and gives very high profits, provided you learn and practice and master it. To make a lot of profit. This strategy is effective in all financial markets. So let's get to the strategy. In this strategy, we need two indicators, ichimoku and MACD. We add them to the chart from the indicator section. Ichimoku is a very strong indicator and its signals are accurate. We only need the Kijun line from Ichimoku, so we disable the other lines from the settings section. The Kijun line is the average of the last 26 candles of the market. Let's go to the MACD indicator. In this indicator we only need the MACD bars, so we disable the other sections from the settings section. This strategy is not used in affected areas and we do not use it. Only used in popular areas. In uptrends, the price comes and breaks its high and sets a higher ceiling. We look at the chart and find out in which areas the top is broken. If the price does not reach the retracement level after breaking the high and the Kijun line is flat, we are waiting for the price to approach this Kijun line. We wait for the first candle to come and hit the Kijun chart while looking at the MACD bars to see what they would look like if they were up. Probably 80-90% of the price will continue the trend from this area and it is upward. So we open a long position. We set TP twice the stop loss and wait. The probability of closing the transaction with a profit is very high. A downtrend is the opposite of an uptrend. In downtrends, the price breaks the floors and registers a new floor. If after breaking the low, the price does not return to that level, we wait for the price to come and reach the Kijun flat. When the first candle hit Kijun's apartment, we look at the MACD bars. If it is bearish, it is likely that the price will continue to decline and we will open a sell position. For better understanding, we put some examples on the chart. There is an upward trend in this area and the price has broken the high but has not reached the bottom. In the following, we see that the price has reached the Kijun flat and the MACD bars are also increasing. So we expect the price to rise, which it did. In the following, I will draw your attention to the trades and positions of the chart so that the topic of compla fits. I hope I have helped you by learning this strategy. All you have to do is practice the strategy and profit. Hoping for more profit and good deals.